Hello, I am Amna and I'm going to discuss earning the money online through e-commerce involves creating or participating in online business activities related to buying and selling products or services. Here are some of the steps to get started with e-commerce and potentially earn money. The first one thing which you want to do is choose your e-commerce business model. Dropshipping. You sell products without holding inventory. When a customer makes a purchase, you purchase the product from a supplier who ships it directly to the customer. Traditional e-commerce, you buy and hold the inventory, then sell it directly to the customers. Print on demand, you design and sell custom merchandise like t-shirts, mugs and posters, and a third-party service prints and ship the products. Subscription box, you curate and send a collection of products to subscribers on a regular basis for a fee. Digital products, you sell digital goods or services such as ebooks, online courses, software or design templates. Market research, research your target audience, competitors and industry trends. Identify a niche or product category that has demand and less competition. Business plan. Create a business plan outlining your e-commerce strategy, including your target market, budget, and marketing approach. Legal requirements. Register your business, obtain the necessary licenses, and ensure you comply with the tax regulations in your area. Choose the e-commerce platform. Select an e-commerce platform to build and host your online store. Popular platforms include Shopify, WooCommerce for WordPress, BigCommerce, and Magento. Product sourcing. If you are not using dropshipping, source products to sell. This can involve manufacturing, wholesaling, or purchasing from suppliers. Build your online store. Customize and set up your online store, including adding product listings, setting prices, configuring the payment gateways, and designing the website. Marketing. Promote your e-commerce store through various online marketing strategies such as search engine optimization, social media marketing, content marketing, pay-per-click advertising, email marketing, and influencer marketing. Customer service. Offer excellent customer service, including the prompt responses to inquiries, efficient order fulfillment, and a return policy. Payment processing. Set up the secure payment processing methods for your online stores to accept payments from the customers. Shipping and fulfillment. Plan how you will handle shipping and fulfillment, whether it's through a third-party logistics provider or your own operations. Analytics and optimization. Use analytical tools to monitor your store's performance and make data-driven decisions to improve your business. Scale and expand. As your e-commerce business grows, consider expanding your product range, exploring new marketing channels, and scaling your operations. Adapt and stay informed. E-commerce is a dynamic industry, so stay up to date with the latest trends, technologies, and consumer preferences to remain competitive. Legal and tax compliance. Stay compliant with e-commerce laws and regulations in your region, especially regarding the data privacy, consumer rights, and taxes. Earning money through e-commerce takes time and effort, so be patient and persistent. Success in this field often depends on your ability to adapt to changing marketing conditions and the customer demand. Thank you very much for listening to us. We'll come up with the new videos.